The pharmaceutical industry is a highly regulated and competitive industry, and the protection of sensitive information is critical to its success. Confidentiality management is the process of ensuring that sensitive information is protected from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, and destruction. One of the most critical aspects of confidentiality management is understanding what is considered confidential information. Confidential information is any data, information, or knowledge that is not generally known to the public and disclosed by our company. Some examples. 1. Business or operational plans and activities, products, or services. 2. Customer or supplier lists, profits and losses, budgeting, and financial information. 3. Schematics, designs, software source code, inventions, patent. 4. Existing or contemplated designs, models, platforms, formulas, research, notes, or analytical data. 5. Management, board of directors, affiliates, suppliers, customers, or third-party contractors, including their personal information and remuneration. 6. Technical systems, processes, methods, algorithms, computational schemas, know-how, or trade secrets. 7. Any information that could harm the goodwill or reputation of the company or any associated individuals and entities if disclosed. Importance of confidentiality management. Confidentiality management is vital for several reasons. 1. Protects our competitive advantage by keeping our proprietary information, trade secrets, and technology secure. 2. Safeguards our intellectual property, such as patents and copyrights, and prevents unauthorized use or infringement. 3. Ensures compliance with legal and regulatory requirements, including data protection and privacy laws. To ensure the protection of confidential information, we must implement secure data storage and transmission methods. 1. Encryption is an excellent method for ensuring that data remains secure during transmission and storage. 2. Access control methods can include role-based access controls, biometric authentication, and two-factor authentication. Confidentiality management in the pharmaceutical industry also involves managing third-party access to confidential information. 1. These vendors must adhere to the same confidentiality management standards as the pharmaceutical company itself. 2. Conduct due diligence on third-party vendors before granting them access to sensitive information and have contracts in place that require the vendors to comply with confidentiality management policies. Confidentiality management is especially important in research and development. 1. As we work on developing new drugs, we handle a lot of sensitive information related to drug targets, assays, and clinical trial data. 2. This information is highly valuable and must be kept confidential to maintain a competitive edge. 3. Confidentiality management can also help us protect our intellectual property and trade secrets. Our patent applications contain highly sensitive information related to our research and developments, and any unauthorized access or disclosure of this information could lead to significant financial losses. Therefore, we must take all necessary steps to ensure that our patents are protected from unauthorized access or disclosure. With the development of new chemical entities, we handle a lot of sensitive information related to chemical synthesis, analytical methods, and safety data. This information must be kept confidential to maintain our competitive edge and protect our intellectual property. Best practices for confidentiality management. To maintain the highest level of confidentiality, we must adhere to these best practices. 1. Sign and adhere to confidentiality agreements and non-disclosure agreements with all relevant parties. 2. Implement secure data storage and transmission methods, including password protection and encryption. 3. Train employees on the importance of confidentiality and how to handle sensitive information. 4. Limit access to confidential information on a need-to-know basis and monitor access to ensure compliance. 5. Dispose of confidential information securely when it is no longer needed. In conclusion, confidentiality management is critical to the success of our operations in the pharmaceutical industry. We must prioritize confidentiality management by understanding what is considered confidential information, implementing secure data storage and transmission methods, limiting access to confidential information, establishing clear policies and procedures, managing third-party access to confidential information, and having a comprehensive incident response plan in place. With this, we can protect our sensitive information, maintain a competitive edge, and comply with regulations. Thank you for your attention.